So yun, what's up mga kasayan? Andito tayo sa KSYM Del Monte, QC. So, kasama natin ngayon yung mga competitors natin sa 12 Weeks Challenge. Puntahan natin sila. Let's go! Pakilala ka na, bossing.
Hello, good morning.
Baka mo.
Folds pala. Isa kami siya nag-join sa 12 Weeks Challenge dito sa KSYN, dito sa branch ng Del Monte.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. Mikal nga po pala, one of the contestant of 12 Weeks Transformation. So ngayon, together today with Coach, mukhang mapapasama ko yata kami.
So yun, ang workout natin for today is shoulder workout and kasama rin ang bicep and triceps. So total arm workout tayo for today. Ang magiging first workout natin is seated shoulder press. So yun, syempre bago tayo mag-start, simulan natin mag-warm up, okay? So, let's go. Ang warm up natin for today, syempre, yung flexibility muna ng shoulders natin. First, raise it up. Then, rotate. Okay. Then, balik ng front. Raise it up. And rotate. Okay, para mag-loosen up yung mga tight muscles muna natin. Okay, do it for another 10 repetitions. Good work. This is Coach Benj. Isa sa pinakamalupit namin coach dito. Kung nangangailangan kayo ng malupit, matipuno at poging coach, Coach Benj. So yun, 10 repetitions lang tayo Okay. For the next warm-up, nakailan tayo? Naka 700 na ata kayo. Okay na yan, sobrang warm na yan. So, syempre, i-warm up din natin yung rear delts natin. So, gagawa tayo ng 15 to 20 repetitions ng rear delt fly. Pero sa pinaka-light na weight lang. So, you're just gonna fly. So, every time gagawa tayo ng isang execution, make sure na scapula natin medyo naka-out. Para sa rear delts lang pumapasok yung tension. Okay?
Okay.
Sige, sir. Okay. Then, up. So yun, wag natin ipitin to. So let it flatten lang, then up. Then, sige, yan. Then flat lang to Just use this. Ganito lang siya. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay, up. Yan. So wag natin papasok to. Yan, mas better. Mas ramdam mo, boss, pag di pumapasok. 15 to 20 lang. Okay. Kung papasok, out mo lang.
Furthermore, we doing this for y'all. Rapid stress, but it feel great. When you up, but when you in a slump, you get real low and can't think straight.
Okay, ramdam? Good. So now, Coach Benj, pakita mo yung perfect form. Ikaw na yung perfect form ng isang sayan. Okay, so tingnan nyo yung form ni Coach Benj. So flat lang talaga siya, then executed yung rear delts. Then nag-hold sa dulo para mas may squeeze. Okay. Pero we're just gonna do it for one set kasi warm up lang siya. So, yun nga pala, proceed na tayo sa first workout natin, which is seated shoulder press.
Put it all in each.
Okay, so mga sir, lapit po tayo dito. Ang magpapakita ng first workout natin ngayon is si Coach Benj. We're gonna do shoulder press muna, then first set natin, i-make sure muna natin na loosen up. Hindi siya ganun ka-tight, and at the same time, yung fluid ng joints natin, mas maganda. Mag-secrete muna and maging soft. So, paano natin gagawin yun? Magbibigay tayo ng high volume muna. Okay? Di baling mabilis, ang target lang muna natin is mag-loosen up yung joints. Okay? Para hindi siya ganun ka-tight. At saka may iwasan din yung shoulder pain. Okay? Sige, coach. 20 to 30, first set.
Mixtapes, so many long nights in my mother's house.
7,
Trouble boy, bring the trouble now. Since V1, I've been double down. Life's a game.
25 to 30, minimum of 25, maximum of 30. Ready? So dito, wala tayo munang pause and hold. Pump lang talaga. Okay, pero syempre, kahit pump lang, simulan nyo na yung mind to muscle connection. Okay, go.
Till we part ways. When we win, we just parlay. Build a pot till it pays back, and then it pays off for all of our pain that we downplayed. Just to maintain, so that I avoid a breakdown. But you can't run.
Hindi na siya ganun ka-tight. Kaya. Okay. Na-encounter nyo na ba yung ganitong type of workout before? Hindi na makapagsalita mo sa... So, yon for our second set, we're gonna do feeder set na. Okay? Dito na natin sisimulan pakiramdaman yung muscle natin. So, 10 tayo. Sige, sir. So, now, we're gonna do feeder set. Baba na tayo sa 12 to 15 repetitions. Then, para pagdating natin sa working set, makabomba na tayo ng maganda. Okay? Let's go.
The way when you paving the way, gotta navigate through the dark lanes any way that you can, just so you can find a
Hold the negative. Very good. Okay, now, add ulit tayo for our second set pa lang kasi first set natin considered as warm-up eh.
light to the path. Write you a plan, get right to the plan. Seek help, but you were too spiteful to ask. Not saying that life isn't bad, but life could be worse than the life that you have. Some people need a right for the blast to get right to the cash, and the cycle demands that it happens again and again and again. Maybe I'll
Magaang sa'yo, magaang sa'yo. Okay, so proceed na tayo. Next workout natin, mag-isolation tayo ng lateral raises. Pero syempre, with a twist. Let's go. Dahil nakita natin malalakas yung mga clients natin, medyo paparusa tayo ng konti. Pero syempre, alam naman natin kaya nila to. So, come on, lapit dito. So, Coach Benj, bilang perfect saiyan, pakita mo yung workout na. Oh. 2.5 muna. Pinapakitaan tayo ng nakaprip. So, hold tayo sa lateral position. Make sure naka-throw out siya. So, we're gonna do 5 to 1. On hold yung right, then gawa ka ng 5 sa left. Very good. So, lagi natin tatandaan, pag nag-lateral raises tayo, kailangan yung traps natin naka-flat. So, wag natin sama sa execution. Okay. 5. 5, look sa second. 4 naman. Hindi, 4 naman. 4. Kabila, hold. 4 ulit. So, we're gonna do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then sabay na 5. So, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, then sabay na 5 lang. 1, 2, puro hold. Puro hold. Good work. So, tara. Your turn. Kumusta yung pump?
Good.
First workout pa lang. Okay, so correct. Form check muna tayo. Angat. Very good. Drop this part down. And then, naka-throw siya palabas. Very good. So, hold. Gawa ka ng 5.
never win. Maybe I'll never win. Some people need a right for the blast to get right to the cash, and the cycle demands that it happens again and again and again.
So, oo nga pala. Once na magla-lateral raises tayo, wag natin puwersahin na yung kamay yung mag-aangat. Every time na magla-lateral raises tayo, elbow drag tayo. So, elbow ang magda-drag sa shoulders nyo paangat. So, di baling, tama. Di baling medyo mas mababa yung hand and wrist as long as yung elbow yung nagdadala ng weight. Okay? Sa grip naman, wala naman masyadong problema yun as long as elbow yung nagdadala. Okay, green muna tayo, hold. Okay, naka-isolate na. Naka-isolate siya. Okay, then start doing 5.
Maybe I'll never win. We've been at this for a long time. From the dark side to get no shine. Going underground to find a gold mine. I'm digging. Hold the line what I told mine. Been a slow
Siyempre, after mag-workout, pigain nyo yan. Para mas maganda yung blood flow natin. Now, piga.
grind since 09. So just say the word and it's go time. I'm in it. We've been at this for a long time. From the dark side.
Ang init.
Aircon, pero...
Coach Benj, up tayo ng 5 kg.
So, ayun guys. Yung workout pa lang, even the warm-ups. Alam mo yun, gusto mo lang umuwi. So, yung second workout namin, grabe. Ramdam na ramdam yung yung init ng shoulder. Kaya, more reps comes.
Goods na goods. Magaling yung coach na inassign sa amin ngayon. Yung execution talagang pinatantayan niya. Yung pump, ayan na. Yeah.
Second set, stay pa rin tayo ng 2.5. Magpo-progress tayo sa last set na lang. Okay? So, maintain muna ulit tayo ng 2.5. Same pa rin. 5 to 1, then 5 na sabay.
What I told mom, been a slow grind since '09, so just say the word and it's go time. What the fuck do y'all take me for? They ain't even wanna take me in. Break the walls, I'm Chris Jericho, it's no miracle, I'm in the place I'm in. Any pad that I place my pen, body bag and that pays my rent. You know how many days I spent putting in work, this the thanks I get. There's no telling when the race might end, I could probably run forever.
So, dito nyo ma-appreciate na hindi lahat ng mabigat laging effective. Hindi lahat ng magaang madali. Okay. Amen ba? Amen. Alien. Alien. So, next na gagawin natin, we're gonna go to sa bench. Malaglag ka dyan. Okay, so we're gonna do flies. Dito, hindi na tayo masyadong magpa-progress sa bigat. Pero, repetitions ang itataas natin every set. Okay, we're gonna start with 12. Okay, Coach Bench, 12. Yan, panoorin nyo to. Malaking part to eh, lapit ka dito. Tingnan nyo yung back ni Coach Bench pag nag-rear delts fly siya. Hindi niya iniipit itong part na to. Para ma-execute lang is yung mismo rear delts. So, ayun, andito lahat ng tension. Okay? So, yun yung tatry nating achieve mamaya para mas ma-maximize natin yung tension nung rear delts. Okay? So, yun sir, yung tinuro ko kanina, huwag tayong mag-i-squeeze ng back. Focus tayo sa rear delt. Let's go. Push. Up. Konti pa. Down. Yan. Ganyan lang. Good job. Then, if kaya mong i-pause mo. Good. 12 lang. So yun, men. Sa mga gustong mag-workout pero napako sa bahay dahil sa mga trabaho nyo, bili na lang kayo dumbbell. Ayun, pwede naman eh.
The pace I've hit, shoot the shot, and just in case I miss, I'ma crash the board until it break my wrist. It's the real, we don't wanna listen to the fake guys.
Nakakalakas talaga yung video eh. Kaya kung gusto nyo lumabas, mag-video kayo habang nag-workout.
Spit, let the gray mind shift. Paradise, I'm trying to find my paradise. I pray I never let the snake eyes hit. Ready for the chase, I've been on the
Side mo. Kasi kung gusto mo makita yung posterior delts mo, you go sideways. Yan. Then tsaka mo siya i-squeeze. Like this, then push ng konti. Yan, so yun. Activated siya ngayon, right? From here, middle, then rear. Buo na yung pump natin. Proceed na tayo, last workout tayo sa shoulders. For our next workout, we're gonna do chest-supported front raises with this one. Okay. Coach, performance time.
Performance task.
Patawag ka ni Big Brother. Meron kang task. Okay. Siyabot ko sa'yo dito. Okay. So, yan. Panoorin nyo to. Si Coach mag-execute. Yan. Hold. Let's go. Ubus na?
Hindi. Yung sa shoulder.
Shoulder. So, yun. Kaya pala mahilig tayo sa chest-supported workout kasi ang chest-supported workout, mas na-isolate natin yung shoulders natin. Kasi maraming clients or may tendency talaga na kapag hirap ka na sa weight, kumukuha ka ng puwersa sa lower body mo, especially sa raises, right?
spit, let the gray mind shift. Paradise, I'm trying to find my paradise. I pray I never let the snake eyes hit. Ready for the chase, I've been on the run. I'ma run shit no matter what state I'm in.
Next workout natin, biceps na tayo.
Ay, favorite.
Okay, favorite ba?
Favorite ni Miguel.
Nanuro! So sa biceps natin, si Coach Bench bahala. Coach Bench, Super 21 tayo. So, we're gonna do 7 ang lower half. Okay? Then, 7 sa upper half. Then, 7 na full. Ooh. Hold. And we're good. Next.
Let's go. Sus, next time pala eh. Done.
Nagawa madali. Okay? No. Okay, so straight muna. Lock it out. Lock it out. Unat mo yung kamay mo. Yan, okay? Okay, so up. Lower half, very good. Gawa ka ng 7 na ganyan, dahan-dahan. 2, 3, 4, lock it out. Go. 5, 6, 7, and hold. Full squeeze. 5, 6, hold. We're gonna do full buo. So from here, ilalak mo na siya out, then balik dito. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last one. Hold, then syempre dahan-dahan. Lightweight na naman.
Ito.
Next.
Ito naman yung list na ginagawa.
Ang laki ng biceps. Anong, may tumatawag, pre? Okay, half. Very good. So, huwag mo siyang ilak na ganito.
Teka, nag-workout pa kami.
Okay. Dapat maximize mo yung stretch. Go. Nice one. Maximize mo yung stretch. Good.
Every time the baseline hit, I just fade to black to make it back to state some facts. From the cake I spin to the last chips. I ain't holding back. Heard from the grapevine, y'all.
Yun. Last workout na. We're gonna do hammers. Okay? For your, syempre, brachialis, pampaganda ng biceps, pampalakas ng hug. Tara namin. When doing hammers, hindi, sample lang. Ganito. In doing hammers, mas maganda, you don't grip it right here. Push mo tong dulo ng kamay mo dito. Para ang magdadala is your biceps lang talaga. Hindi masyadong kukuha ng tension yung forearms. Okay? So, we're gonna do hammers. For 15 repetitions lang, medyo bend forward. Okay? Dapat hindi ito naka-pull back. Common mistakes in doing hammers. Nasa likod yung siko. Yes, that's called dragging. So, you push it forward, up, not too high, and low. May nag-hammers kasi ganito eh. Okay, so, medyo hindi talaga tama yun. So, just hold it tight. Negative pa rin every time you're gonna do a repetition. Okay, so, laging controlled yung weight. Okay.
Gusto eh.
Ganyan. Then, huwag mong pwersahin na pigain. Hayaan mong, eto, dumikit sa goma mismo. Tapos, luwagan mo konti ng hawak.
Oo, yan. Go.
Yan. Then, baba mo. Medyo lean forward. Then, up. Yan. Mas ramdam mo siya dito, di ba? Kapag hindi mo piniga. Yan. Do 12.
Trying to take mine, now you in a cage with a canine. We've been at this for a long time. From the dark side to getting no shine. Going underground to find a gold mine, I'm digging. Yeah, hold the line what I told mine. Been a
Yo, so tapos na yung workout natin for today. We've done shoulder and bicep. So sa ating mga competitors or challengers, keep it up and good work, man. And syempre, yun, kita-kita kay SYN Del Monte. Pan-champion to.